Today I'm going to be trying the Solid Builder Nail Gel Kit by Beetles. I want to thank them for sponsoring this video. And let's get started. I love the packaging. I love their slogan, be bold, be you, be Beetles. Let's start off with the first product. This one is a white color. The next product is also a white builder gel. It is non-sticky, so that's actually what I love about it. I can't wait to create some 3D effects with this. This kit comes with 4 different solid builder gel. 2 of those are white and then 2 of those are pink. This is the color that I ended up using on my own nails. It's the perfect pink. And then the kit also comes with the top coat and a base coat. And then there's so many goodies underneath this. It has some cool information just in case you're a beginner, how to set up your lamp. And then it also comes with some nail forms. You get the stiletto shape and you also get the square shape. And this is the shape that I picked. It also comes with these hand covers, some chrome powder, rhinestone glue, and these cute little molds. I can't wait to try them. And then it has this cute baby lamp. It's easy to set up. You can literally put this anywhere and it takes up like no space. And you can just fold it back up when you're done. It also came with a file and some handy dandy tools. You can never have enough cuticle pushers or tweezers. And we got some bling bling. Okay, I see you, Beetles. And of course the charger. So I went ahead and started off by sizing my nails just to have those first. And I'm doing a quick light prep. I'm buffing my nails and then just cleaning any dust off. And then I applied a base gel off camera. I'm starting off with the builder gel. And I'm using these little hand covers to protect my skin. I probably should have put one on my other finger, but I didn't really know how I was going to apply this side. And I did do my right hand off camera just to get some practice in. Here I'm just rolling it out into like a little ball and then making a line. That way I can evenly distribute the product onto the nail form. And then I'm just pressing down with my finger. And I realized that the texture of the hand cover was on the nail form. So I ended up taking a brush, just smoothing out everything and making sure to get it as perfect as possible. My only thing is I should have applied the product closer to the cuticle on the nail form. And since I didn't, I was like stuck trying to make sure that it was as close as possible. And so here I am just pushing down just to make sure that it's flush. And then I went ahead and turned my finger around and then I'm just smoothing out any extra bumpiness or lumps. Bumps and lumps. My left side was a lot smoother compared to my right side. So using a brush was definitely a better technique for me than using my actual finger. That way I create a smooth texture and not a bumpy one. Then I went ahead and applied the nail form onto my nail, just making sure to stay away from my skin and my cuticles. Here I'm just pushing down to make sure that it's flush. And you don't want to get any on your skin, so I'm taking a brush and just pushing any product away from my skin. Then I'm just finishing up. And I did prefer to put the product closer to the nail form. That way I can just accurately place it. I would say this is fairly like medium level. It's not hard, but it's not easy. Then I went ahead and cured it. And this is what we get. I went ahead and cut them. And I filed them off camera just because it took me a while. And now I'm doing a quick buff just to make sure everything is smooth. And I'm sealing the cuticle by applying pure acetone with a brush. And once I was done, I went ahead and applied a cat eye color by Beetles. It's the perfect pink, and especially since Valentine's is around the corner, I went ahead and applied 2 coats. And then I'm adding some of those cute rhinestones. And look at the big difference of application. Here are the final results. I absolutely love the rhinestones. I feel like they added the perfect touch, and they're giving Valentine's Day nails. Let me know what you think down below in the comments. I'll be sure to link the product in the description. Thank you guys for watching. Bye!